team at kailangan nilang tibayan ng kanilang reception pati ang kanilang blocking. Meanwhile, for the Lady Bulldogs, it is Coach Dong recognizes the fact that Ateneo is a solid team and they should expect that today will be a tough game. Most of the girls actually recovering from being under the weather, and despite that, they are prepared for today's match. Coach Dong also said that what's important is that they all connect inside the court and communicate. Mozzie and Noel?
Maganda nga din sa inyo nakapagpahinga sila na medyo may natagalan eh. Kasi lahat nga halos sila nagkaroon ng sakit. Pero mahirap din pagsama-sama kayo sa dorm, di ba?
Correct. That's so true. Eh, social pa naman mga dorm, aircon.
Aircon na siya. Naalala ko yung first time nagka-aircon na dorm sa NU.
Oh, another mishit from Myla Pablo. Hindi niya nakakapitan ng maigi yung bola.
Kalimutan ko sino nagkwento sa akin, kung si Beck Mangi o si Asis Oliveño nagkwento na sinipon daw sila lahat unang gabi nila. Hindi sila sanay na aircon. Pero ngayon nga, pag aircon ka naman, iyon lang. Nagkakahawaan. Naalala ko dati, buong Philippine Army. Si Dakis lang hindi nagkasakit. Lahat sila nagkasakit.
Tibay ni RAD, ha?
Si RAD naman kasi. Oh,
that's going to be a violation. Yep. Lifting violation called on Morado.
10-7 lamang po NU. Eh si Rachel naman kasi sanay na yan sa mga ganun. Inom na inom ng mga vitamina yan.
Kapag nasa Germany, siguro grabe.
Siguro naman, oo.
Oy,
Dada na ace.
I like that serve. It's really close to the net. Hindi tumama sa net. Pero yung baksak ng bola, ay floater na mababa. Very nice.
Nagugulat ang Ateneo ngayon. 4 ang kalamangan ng NU. This is a team they beat twice in the UAAP to make it to the finals. Valdez!
Oh, but Valdez hitting it strong.
Ayan. Kapiranggot pa lang yan. Maraming pyesa yan.
Full body shot yan.
Oh, galing pa sa likod yung tira dito ni Alyssa. At sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Down to 3. Morente on the serve. Perez. Santiago. Morado. Quick set to Ahumiro. Perez again. Sa likuran. Walang tao. Wala si Mandapat. Morado. Ahumiro. General is there. Second ball. Binuhay ni Ahumiro. Morado getting it across. General. Myla Pablo. Off the block, Alyssa Valdez, sinabol. Tira kagad, Yakiliana, pero yung blanca ni Abby Perez lumabas. Ateneo is now on a roll. Those were back-to-back points.
Right, that was an off-the-block hit. And sayang na doon na si Ivy Perez, pero she was able to close it out.
Nahanap ng double si Coach Dong sa isang recovery kanina sa Ateneo. Tumama daw muna sa ulo bago tumama sa braso.
Kay Amy.
11-9, Morente, good serve. Perez, Santiago.
Oh,
yay.
That is so hard to stop.
Nagpigil pa si Jaja doon, sa lagay na yun.
Kasi dikit sa net eh. Masyado dikit sa net. But look at this height.
Isipin mo nga naman talaga kung may open spiker kang ganyan kalaki.
Kahit na siguro malaki pa rin yung blocker mo. Basta yung reach niya yung sa pinaka-highest point na pwede niya paluin. Mahirap.
Pablo on the serve. Lazaro, Morado. Galing sa likod, Valdez. Left line by Perez. General. Jorel Singh over the defense. Morado, umatake. Nakahabang si Jaja. Morado, bibigyan kay Kiliana. Nakahabang naman to si Perez. One more time around for Kim. General, long rally. Combination play. Singh, malakas.
And yung patience ng floor defense ng Ateneo gave them that point.
Looking for a check ball, and Singh is very upset na hindi siya nakakuha ng check ball that time. She was sure na may check ball. 12-10. If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Kakiliana on the serve. Singh. Hindi na maabutan niya ni Ivy Perez.
Okay, goes too far.
So Kim Kakiliana, good serve. Getting it down to 1. Ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Bulldogs.
So naka-full rotation ng Ateneo. Kim Gigiliana again on the service line.
Another good one. Jaja, hinulog na lamang sa likod ni Alyssa.
Yan ang kailangan gawin ni Jaja. Yung huwag niya rin pagurin yung sarili niya by always going for powerful hits.
Yep.
Dahil sa laki niyang yan, makikita niya kung nasan niya pwedeng ihulog at marami siyang pwedeng gawin.
Alam mo, ang cute nga nitong dalawang to. Dalawang level na sila naging magkakampi. High school and national team.
Oh.
Diba?
Oh, and that's a long one for Ivy Perez.
May nag-post pa nga ng picture nila sa Facebook yata yun na magkasama sila sa isang game. Alyssa and Jaja. Diba?
Ganda eh. Ang sarap panoodin sigurong magkasama.
Sarap siguro ang buhay mo kung ikaw si Kung Reyes.
Well, Amy Alhamiro hitting it straight into the net.
14-12, NU still on top by 2. Now, Jaja Santiago nasa likuran. Morente, Morado, Valdez.
Pinasa pa.
Wala ka nang magagawa doon. If there's less than 2 blockers, hindi mo na makakukuha yun. Gia Morado now to serve. Ateneo trying to tie it up on her serve. Wow. Iniangat, Mandapat. Lazaro. Morado. Kabila. Valdez. Kalaban ba ako? Hindi naman. Kakampi ako ng lahat. Look at the defense there of NU.
Mukhang ang plano ay si Alyssa Valdez mapupunta sa 5. Yun ang narinig natin. Tingnan natin kung masusurprise ang NU sa gagawin nila. At itong si Morente humihingi differential. Ito ang ba sa 5 ng pumalo. At naabangan ng NU na
exactly. So makikita natin dito that lead is up to 4 points. Lucky break na rin yun kasi mukhang palabas na rin dapat yung block eh. Sing.
Oh! Break into the net. Ang daming service errors dito sa first set.
Magkabilang ko na.
Both sides.
Well, the cheers tell you who's serving. General, Perez, Mandapat, off the block, kept alive. Lazaro, Morente across.
Free ball, let's see.
Pumunta sila kay Myla Pablo. Morado, kabila, kay Kiliana, yes!
Oh, I think Kiliana getting it on the right spot. Walang katao-tao sa depensa for NU. Dun sa back row.
But still, NU up by 2. First set, Valdez to serve again. The Vincent Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Sing, General.
Oh, that's really close to the net.
And Mitch Morente makes them pay. Tumama kay Myla Pablo.
So look at Coach Dong. Sinasabi niya kay Myla Pablo, lakas na niya yung palo.
Oo. Yan ay mga fans ni Alyssa sa likuran. Sing gets to it. Angat para kay Myla. Gusto niya to. Bagsak si Patnongon. And they will replay the point. Ariel Patnongon is down.
Nagkabungguan, kita-kita natin ang
Myla
bungguan
Pablo
din sa net eh.
and Ariel Patnongon. And how many times have we seen this year? Mukhang natapakan ni Ariel Patnongon si Myla Pablo. And Patnongon is in tears now. So Ateneo has already lost Ella De Jesus indefinitely. Ayaw mo tignan, ano mo, si?
Ano yun?
Ay! Right ankle sprain. There we go. Right ankle sprain. Ayaw ka na tignan ulit. Ay, nako. Right ankle sprain. And Bea De Leon is warming up now para sa Ateneo. Hindi man lang malagyan ni Ariel Patnongon ng weight.
Taas pala kasi tamaan na sila eh.
That is one of those high ankle sprains. Also, we saw it happen to Jack Alarca already this season para sa Philippine Army. And here we go. We lose Ariel Patnongon the same way. At yan yung mga 2 to 3 weeks out. Sana naman hindi.
Sana hindi.
Tignan natin mamaya kay Ivy.
Let's hope na hindi naman. I'm sure nakatape naman yung mga paa nila.
Right. Well, si Rachel at Dakis ayaw magpa-tape ng paa.
Hindi makalaro kasi. Yung iba hindi nakakalaro well because they feel that yung partner ako constricted.
Pareho kami. Here is General. Quick set.
Dadang! Wonderful connection there from Dadang and Perez.
Welcome to the game, Bea De Leon.
Ito yung mga kailangan talaga na manggaling sa NU. Consistently. Yan, yung mga quick plays nila Dadang at ni Ivy, para hindi lang si Jaja, di ba? Yung pumupuntos.
Pero again, it starts with the reception. Good serve again by Mandapat. De Leon gives it up.
Ball, let's see.
Perez, second ball, dug up there by Morado. Morente, blocked there by Dadang.
And so far, it's Ateneo with 5 attack points, and you having 6. Parehong 3 service aces na yung dalawa.
And 19-16 ang ating score. Timeout, Ateneo.
You carry it, you think you carry it, you think can fire. Huh? I left line. Hopkins, jump together. Huh? Over, cannot block. Huh? Receive one.
Get one. Sabi ni Coach Tai.
Lagi, the UAP, lagi na yung sinasabi, get one. Pero nagkakaroon ng 2, 3. Laging ganyan.
O, tignan natin ha. NU is playing very well dito sa ating first set. Floor defense, excellent. Net defense, excellent. Opensa, always there naman. Morado, Morente, yan na naman, maganda net defense ng Dadang.
Yung differential.
And here is Santiago from the back. Eliza hinabol, hindi maabutan.
Jaja Santiago, well, isa pa yang weapon na talagang pwedeng gamitin itong si Jaja Santiago.
Well, you're 6'6", you can attack from anywhere you want. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made.
So for Ateneo with 3 digs, and you having 4.
And again, Mandapat with a service ace. Pangilan nun niya? Pangatlo?
At 4 na ang service aces na nanggagaling sa NU.
So Mandapat now with a 5-point lead, 21-16. Gekiliana, Morado, back to Gekiliana, through the block of Dadang this time.
Butas yung block.
21-17. Bea de Leon, kapapasok pa lamang. If you're just joining us, Ateneo has just lost another player. Ariel Patnoon went down with an ankle sprain. Mamaya may report tayo galing kay Ivy Remulla about that. Bea de Leon, Jorel Singh, Fatima General, Myla Pablo, hulog!
Good job there, Myla Pablo. Seeing yung open spot.
And now Morado is slow to get up. So yan ang ayaw natin.
Daganan niya yung taped shoulder. Yung kanyang...
That kept her out of the game against Air Force. Naalala natin yun, ha?
Kanyang right shoulder.
Na-injure siya against Air Force and Giselle Tan had to come in to do the setting duties. Let's see if she can stay in the game. Ito si Gia Morado. Oh, Gakiliana with a miss.
Miss hit. They're trying to go, trying to get a cut shot. No go.
Another timeout for Coach Tai of Ateneo. Both squads just breaking huddle ngayon. NU with their biggest lead at 6 points, 23-17 ngayon. Hindi magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Noel Zarating kasama si Mosi Ravena at si Ivy Remulla. Shakey's B-League action. Patapos na po yung ating preliminary round. And the good news for all you Ateneo fans, Ateneo has 3 consecutive games to close the elimination round. This is their first one. At Eliza Valdez, nakuha galing sa likod.
That's right. Kumbaga, yan ang cross court, di ba? Mula sa kabilang corner, papunta doon sa corner naman ng NU.
Nagulo hairstyle ni Jorel Singh. Kakahabol na niya doon.
Hindi niya akalain aabot dun sa area niya.
Damage Morente. Good serve again. General tracking it down. Perez. Back set. Oy, Myla Pablo.
There you go, Myla Pablo. Getting it done with that cross-court hit.
6 set points now for NU. Myla Pablo will serve. Morente, Morado, Eliza Valdez galing sa likod. Mandapat, Jarel Singh, the freshman. Yep. And a violation called against Ateneo on the net. So the first set will go to the National University, 25-18. So hindi ko alam kung masama gising ng Ateneo o talaga ang ganda lang ng pinakita ng NU rito. Shake and play, ha?
Ang ganda talaga na pinakita. Ngayon ko sila nakikita na yung teamwork
Right.
na nakita ko in this first set.
Second set when we return.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Ateneo 3 more than NU. And ang naging kwento dun sa first set na yun, ang nakita ko talaga very evident is that the Lady Bulldogs really played well as a team. Yung iba parang may connection, like yung quick ni Dadang at ni Ivy Perez na ngayon natin nakita, very solid yung mga
yung
quick hits.
Mandapat, ang ganda ng laro.
Si Mandapat, sinimulan niya ng di ba? Very, yung mga atake rin niya. And si Myla Pablo, nung simula, medyo nagkaroon ng konting nahirapan siya dun sa mga spikes niya. May mga miss hits. Pero after nun, tuloy-tuloy na.
Uy!
Wow!
Kilala natin yan.
Hindi naman anak nila yun, di ba?
Hindi. Maliit pa yung anak nila. Congressman Lino Cayetano.
Phil Kainglet.
Phil Kainglet also here in attendance.
Welcome, yup. Nice to see you.
Kita-kita mo naman.
Kaya,
Sweet na
bilis
sweet.
lumaki
Yeah,
na.
sweet na sweet naman sila. Ayan na si Ariel Patnongon working her way back to the bench. Mamaya we'll have a report from Ivy Remulla on that one. 1-0 after that Eliza Valdez strike. Bawi kagad si Jaja. What a national team we will have.
Oh yes, ako I can just imagine kung yung lahat ng yung pwede talaga. Yung
Pasok sa under 23 ang dalawang yan eh. Isipin mo ha.
napakalakas. Ang
Jaja
daming
Santiago,
potential.
Dindin pasok pa rin sa under 23, Eliza Valdez, Gretchen Soltones. Metro Manila pa lang yan ha, yung sinasabi natin.
Daming pwede.
Di pa natin sinasama si NN Raterta from Davao. Di ba? Yun ang magandang set.
Matutuwa yung mga ibang bansa
Ikaw
doon.
tuwa ka dun eh. Uuwi mo na yan sa bahay nyo eh.
Nicoliana now with 5 points, Valdez with 4, Mandapat with 5, Santiago with 4.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Valdez, Ivy Perez, binalik sa Ateneo. Gia Morado, combination, Eliza again!
What a hit from Eliza Valdez. At alam niya yung kung saan niya ilulugar eh. Ang maganda kasi kay Eliza, it's a combination of a power hit and she knows where to put the ball. Ang ganda ng, ang tawag mo dito, para bang kamadang-kamada
Yan.
yung bola kung saan niya ilalagay.
Well, it is 2-all. Bagong serve galing dito kay Gia Morado. Still does not work. Dinagdagan pa ng tape yung braso niya during the break, ha? So that fall earlier na higaan ulit yung braso niya might have been more painful than we thought it was. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Morado, Morente.
Morente getting it through in spite of 2 blockers in front of her.
Side of 3. Guess who's serving? Mamaya, tingnan muna
Kailangan
natin.
ba i-guess?
Tingnan natin muna itong ulit tira ni Mitch Morente. Eliza excited na mag-serve. Ayan.
Oh, nice.
Fatima General getting to that one. Here's Mandapat, Valdez, Dadang!
Oh, and Desiree Dadang taking that present, taking that gift.
Ilag para masagip ang sariling buhay ang ginawa doon ni Mitch Morente. 4-3 NU. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Mandapat serving. Good serve once again. Valdez gets to it. Kekiliana, naabangan to ni Perez. Alaysa, tayo. Bigyan ulit kay Kekiliana. Abang na naman si Perez.
Again, they're just doing a magnificent job.
But that time, Mitch Morente kinulang sa lakas. Hitting error against Ateneo.
Nakita niyo medyo na, kumbaga, nandun na yung 2 blockers ng NU. Gusto niyang baguhin yung palo niya.
5-3 NU. Mandapat. Lazaro gets to that one. Kekiliana, nakabuelo, tinulak yung bola. Myla Pablo. Perez, hulog. Nandun naman si Bea de Leon.
Bea de Leon.
Ganda ng base.
Ganda ng reaction. Ito yung pinwestohan ng bola.
So De Leon will go back to serve. A freshman from Poveda High School. 6-footer na freshman.
5'11 na naman.
Hindi, 6-footer yan.
Hindi pa papagkaila.
Si Madi Madayag pag nakita natin mamaya.
Isa pa, galing Davao naman.
Yep. There's Morado, leaving it for Morente.
Morente this time, using the blockers, getting that off the block hit.
Mas kumakayod natin dito sa ating second set. As you can see, Morente, dalawa na kalaban niya ron. Si Morente patented celebration, dalawang tuturo niya talaga to the heavens no? 5-all. De Leon. Sing! Hindi na salo.
Good serve.
So, Ateneo now up by 1. Bea de Leon getting a lot of playing time today due to the injury to Ariel Patnongon. Ivy Perez, galing likod, Jaja. Nandun naman si Eliza to dig it up. Kekiliana. Jaja digs it up. 3-ball. Hindi umabot. The linesman had to help Efrenga at that time.
But credit the effort of NU trying to save that ball.
Hindi pa natin nakikita tumakbo pa atras si Coach Tai. Hintay ko yun, yung pabalik-balik pero tumatakbo pa atras. Bea de Leon, very close to that out-of-bounds area bago siya mag-serve.
What an improvement.
Right. Jaja digs it up. Ivy Perez, kabila. Myla Pablo. Nakabang si Emilia Homiro. One more time. Galing sa likod. Jaja, Emilia Homiro. Getting it down.
Sinabantay na siya. Hindi na masyado naaabangan, pero sa Amy, inintay
Well, ano nangyari muna dito? We send it over to Ivy Remulla. Ano nangyari kay Ariel Patnongon, Ivy?
Yes, Noel, we all saw that Ariel Patnongon has sprained her right ankle during the first set, but not to worry to all the Ateneo fans because she's up and about. She's already walking and standing, although she said that she can still feel the pain and her foot start to swell. And meanwhile, Coach Tai told the Lady Eagles that they need to receive better starting here in the second set in order to get the points in. He also told the girls to forget about the first set and to start anew. Meanwhile, for the Lady Bulldogs, blocking is very important, most especially in breaking the momentum of Ateneo's attack. Coach Dong is also looking for more variations sa atake ng Lady Bulldogs to make it more difficult for Ateneo to defend. NU recognizes that Ateneo has good floor defense, so kailangan they have to play smart in order to break this. Mozi and Noel?
Well, kailangan nga naman talaga all those passes. Another drop shot as Ivy Perez now is the one who goes down. Hawak-hawak yung kanyang balikat. Ay, mukhang matibay-tibay naman si Ivy Perez Pero that's good news for Ariel Patnongon also na nakakalakad na siya.
Nakita ko nga, nakalakad siya. Well, at least that's good news. Mukhang hindi, masyadong masakit. Ilalakad niya
And it also helps as we have a service here against Morente. Also helps as Ariel Patnongon, ang laki ng pinayat.
Yeah,
Remember when she was a freshman nung first time yung maglaro sa Ateneo?
On the big side pa siya.
On the big side pa siya. That she's lost a lot of weight and is able to maintain that. And that also helps pag nagkaroon ka ng mga injuries, especially in your lower extremities.
Yeah.
Na hindi masyadong malaki yung weight na kinuha ng tuhod, ng sakong. Here's Janelle Singh. Using the hands of Morado did not work. Gekiliana. Cross-court attack.
They've been really finding the open spots. Diba yung mga baka walang katao-tao dun sa side again na yun ng NU. They've been doing that.
Kailangan na, yung nga lang, si Kakilya na pag nakascore, kailangan gayahin niya yung celebration ni Mitch Morente. Tinuturo na ni Mitch Morente kung anong gagawin sa kanila.
So far, Ateneo with 5 attack points, NU having 2, but Ateneo also having 2 block points.
Here's Jaja getting it across. Then Lazaro. Iniangat for Eliza Valdez. Blocked there by Ivy Perez. And Eliza getting a tongue lashing now from Coach Tai.
Well, it's actually Morado ang sinabihan niya. Why? Because nandun na sa gilid, sobrang gilid na yung set na yun kay Eliza. So, wala na masyadong path. Kumbaga, wala na siyang pagpipilian.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made.
Pag nakulong ko kasi dyan yung space na meron ka ng antena, tapos may dalawang blockers, medyo mahirap na magawa ng paraan.
Mas maganda yung atake niya ron that time. Eliza Valdez. Tandaan natin that Eliza is coming off 2 consecutive 30-point games, 32 and 30.
My goodness.
There's Ahumiro. General Perez, Santiago. That should work.
Jaja with hang time. Nailed that killer.
Alam mo si General, ang laki ng kailangan niyang role na gampanan dito.
Tama.
If it were not for General, that play would not have been possible.
Kasi kung wasted yung excellent spikers mo, like Jaja. Sayang naman kung di mo siya mapapapalo ng maayos.
Hindi pagkaraniwan itong mga error ni Jaja sa serve, ha? Usually, consistent si Jaja. Tuturo niya yung palad niya. Pinagtatamanan siya ni Edson Mabayan tuloy ngayon. Sino ba service coach nila si Edson? Perez, backset, Sing. Block by Eliza Valdez.
And Eliza, offensive block there. Look how she turned her body in.
Ito. Magandang angulo to.
Tingnan mo, pinihit pa niya papunta dun sa kabila para pumasok uli sa court ng NU.
13-9 Ateneo. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gia Morado with the Ruby de Leon-like serve that time. Dadang, nope, violation. Good call by Africa. Net violation.
Called against NU.
Kasi pababa na si Dadang nung tinira niya.
Ateneo with a 5-point lead. And then, we're seeing a much more aggressive Ateneo in the second set.
Oo naman. At saka mas relaxed din Ateneo. Time out NU.
Sabi ko, nandito sa Valdez kung sa kanya, kaya-kaya sa dulo yan. Pagkahan lang sila. Gawa mo ng parang. Tapos, yung trigger nila, once na maganda receive natin, kung approach tayo, tira natin na sabay ng sabay. Bato mo sa dulo. Yung medyo silang. Para
Adjust lahat no?
Yes. Again, yun yung sinasabi natin na importante, ang key factor talaga si Ivy. Kasi, katulad na sabi ni Coach Dong, kailangan iiwas niya dun sa blockers. Dun niya ibigay dun sa wala masyado or malitang blocker. Ibigay mo dun sa player na spiker mo na malitang blocker na nasa harap niya.
Another problem there for NU. So Ateneo, maganda na ang pinakitang pamamayagpag dito sa ating second set. Morado once again. Hindi na naman magandang reception.
Another ace from Ateneo.
Gia Morado, back-to-back ace. Mga kaibigang artista dito, si Ana Capri from Quezon City ang ating face of the day. At
salamat
si
naman sa dalaw.
Si Barry Pasqua, biglang napangiti, nagpa-picture lahat.
Naunahan ka na direct, pasensya na.
Wala. Dito, iba talaga pag nandito ka sa harapan. So maraming salamat ba yung mga artista. Marami dumadalo na rin dito, ha?
Mga, di ba nakikita naman natin na marami rin naglalaro ng volleyball.
That's true. Mandapat ngayon, setting up Jorel Singh. Banggaan ko sa Ateneo. Here's Eliza Valdez. Rest back na.
And Eliza Valdez challenge.
And still apologizing to Coach Tai after that shot.
Tignan natin muli.
Magpapalitan na tayo ng tao. Jorel Singh will sit down as Eliza Valdez. Nahiya sa ginawa niya.
Ganda nga, parang pinball machine eh. Ayaw ni Coach.
Jorel Singh will now be replaced by Marites Pablo. So the Pablo sisters on the floor at the same time. Here's Ivy Perez. That's a double touch.
I think that, no, that's going to be a lifting violation. Ay, double violation ng Perez. Pinilit na niya kasi yun ang sinasabi ni Coach kanina, isibat mo yung sabi la. Pero, hindi, pero that wasn't a good first ball.
Oo naman. Morado continues to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Kanina pa nagsiserve si Morado. Mandapat, sinabi niya. Tama na, sabi ni Dende, buhay pa rin. Valdez! Oh, what a block! Galing dito ay Marites Pablo, who just checked in.
That's right, ang gandang bunot. Marites Pablo with that offensive block.
Dende nagdabog nung hindi niya nakuha yung bola.
Pero ibang klase, ibang level na rin ito si Dende.
Ay naman.
Ang daming mga palo na minsan akala ko hindi na niya makukuha, pero wala, easy niyang natataas.
Pablo with a service error. That's Marites Pablo with a service error.
Wala, Ateneo 7 attack points now and you having 4. Pero ang block at serve points ng Ateneo tagtatlo na.
Ay, off the charts na yan. Valdez, General, Myla Pablo, labas.
Myla Pablo, yun yung consistency na binanggit natin kanina. Yan ang hinahanap ni Coach doon.
Now a 10-point lead for Ateneo. Time out and you.
Relax lang, ha? Guard, magsaservice ka dito. Hindi mo nang malalim mo lang. 8 seconds naman yan. Take time mo lang. Okay lang yan, okay lang. Ay, di pag medyo pangit na gano'n na receive, huwag ka nag-gamble. Hindi naman sila. Sabi naman sila, hindi naman sila. Ito naman, nagdagyan sa open.
20-10. Talo Ateneo sa first set, ha?
Yes.
Pero tingnan mo yung score ngayong second set.
Right. Mukhang naka-regroup in the second set. Umpisa pa lang, nakita natin a much more aggressive Ateneo squad.
Eliza barely getting that through, and that's still an ace.
And it looked like it was going out already.
Pinagtawanan na siya ni Coach Tai. Sabi, look at your reserve. Why is it going that way? Dapat may isocam din pala to si Coach Tai eh. Kilos ng kilos sa sideline eh. But Eliza hits it to the net. 21-11.
Still a 10-point lead. Mandapat, one of the better servers in this side.
Actually, coming into her own as a serve specialist dito sa Shakey's V-League. May 3 aces na siya today. Kim Gakiliana, airborne off of Ivy Perez's hand.
Off the block na naman ang puntos. Ito si Kim Gagiliana, even in the first set, tahimik lang pero has been scoring well for Ateneo.
Yan ang katumbas ni Mandapat sa side naman ng Ateneo. Bea De Leon, the freshman. Tingnan mo kung gano'ng kalapit siya sa out of bounds mag-serve.
Pero ang
effective
ganda
naman
talaga. It has just really improved her serve.
23-11. Maukunan natin kung nasaan yung paa niya. Ang lapit niyan sa out of bounds. And I'm sure the linesman is already looking. You're not allowed to serve beyond the dotted line.
Correct, right.
Napalakas si Sir De Bea. Sabay nagmaktol.
So kasi, pinapansin ba eh?
Ako na naman. Ang dami na nagagalit sa akin. Genuinely nagagalit sa akin. Sabi ni Mami Mosi kasi ikaw may
sobra joke lang yun ha.
Morado. Morente is blocked there by Myla Pablo.
Alam mo tayo dito, kulitan natin. May ibang level din eh.
Yan, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Sound effects, hindi na yung tumatahol. Lion Tiger ka to lang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Bigyan mo naman. Gusto ko yung audition mo sound effects.
Parang nagmumumog na naman ang labas ko.
Narinig ko na naman. Parang siren eh. Ano yun?
Jurassic Lamok.
Shishikil.
Jurassic Lamok.
Ang laki nun. Here's a good serve again by Dadang. Humiro!
Ay, sabi mo, basketball, itang.
Slam dunk ang inabot doon kay Amy Humiro. Sabay ang ganda ng ngiti,
Sabi mo, basketball, itang.
Pero totoo, basketball player po talaga si Amy
Kahit
Humiro.
sa katawan niya, when you see her, yun yung una mong, masasabi na basketball player siguro to.
10 set points for Ateneo. Jaja, binawasan ng isa.
Jaja Santiago. Hindi. Ang hirap naman nun. Kayo naman, pagkat sinabi ibang level, pati yung palo, ibang level.
Uy, kaya niya yun, ha? Naunahan lang siya that time.
Pero, alam mo, pag na-perfect ni Ivy and ito ni Jaja Santiago, yung height, yung mataas na height na kaya ni Jaja, mahirapan talaga ma-i-block si Jaja.
Marites Pablo looking for a check ball, not coming. What a comeback for Ateneo, 25-15. Nakuha nila yung second set. We are now tied at 1 set apiece. So, ang daming pagpipilian para sa ating shaky play dito. So, puntahan na lang natin yung slam dunk ni Amy Humiro.
Tama ka dyan, dapat lang naman dahil because NU has a really tall team. And yung Ateneo, from the onset of the second set, you can really feel and see that it was a different team. Mas aggressive, offense and defense. At pati nga si Bea De Leon, ang ganda ng service at has earned her a few points from that area. And ito rin yung si Amy Humiro. Dinakdakan niyang NU. But again, a more aggressive Ateneo, more especially on offense.
Well, nakikita naman natin pati yung reception ng Ateneo really stepped up ng second set. Sustaining it will be another story kasi alam naman natin itong dalawang coaches ang gagaling din mag-adjust. So, let's see what NU comes out with.
Another factor sa Ateneo was that
Na-block ni Eliza Valdez, si Jaja.
At si Denden Renas, si Denden Lazaro was such a factor in that second set.
So 1-0 Ateneo. Hulog lang naman ang ginawa ni Jaja. So no big yet. Pag talagang pumipe to si Jaja tapos nakahabang si Eliza, magigibang San Juan Arena. Here is Jorel Singh over. Hindi nakapreno si Amy Humiro that time.
Alam naman, mukha alam na niya.
Talikod ka agad
Valdez now with 7 attack points. Morente with 5, Dada with 2, and Santiago with 7.
So si Santiago at saka si Valdez canceling each other out so far. Ivy Perez.
Sa attacks lang yun. Pero ang total points natin so far, Santiago with 9, Mandapat and Dadang with 5. Sa kabila, it's Valdez with 10, Kekeliano with 7, and Morente with 5.
Yung black point yung nagpalamang sa kanya ron. And if it's One Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here is Humiro. General Santiago sending it to Mandapat. Binalik ni De Leon. Jaja. Hindi na may babalik yan ni Kekeliana.
Even, look at that last play. Even without an approach, si Jaja, basta naibigay mo ng mataas yung bola at naabot niya dun sa pinakatuktok, yung peak ng bola, ang hirap i-stop because of that sharp angle going down.
Well, si Jaja is 6'6". Yung wingspan niya is about 6'8". 6'9" wingspan.
Naman?
Tingnan mo naman yan. Maghanap ka nga ng mga lalaki nga, hindi kayang gawin yan.
Alam mo, kwento ko no high school. Prom yata
Sabi
niyo.
ko,
Sabi ko, Weaver, may papadate ako sa'yo sa prom mo. Galing UST, nasa UST pa si John. Papadate ko sana sa prom. Kaya lang mga 6 na. Sabi niya, huwag siya mag-date pa. Eh, syempre, ay yung pala ni Weaver. Di mas maliit pa siya. Yung ko nga, mag-heels pa yung lagot ako.
Ikaw talaga. Yan tuloy. Naghanap tuloy na 6-footer.
Yan ka na. Talagang, pasok ko, ipasok
Diba? Keeper with a K, ha?
Babalik tayo
Real.
sa volleyball.
Napalakas.
Volleyball din pala yun.
Actually, the official outfitter of the Shakey's League. Kahit ikaw, kinakandado mo sarili mo eh.
Ay.
Here
Alam mo
is
namang mahal ko
Murado.
volleyball at lahat ng nasa volleyball.
So, pasado na, ha? Hindi talaga tantanan eh, no?
Mautang yung mga anak ko yan.
Sunod si Keeper, no?
Volleyball gusto eh.
Uy, Keeper, 29 points karira eh. Congratulations. Dapat yung isa rin, mga 29 points. Sa UAP rin.
Ang kulit mo lang talaga eh. No? Ito na si Morado. Lagot ka. 29 points na mamaya.
Eto ngayon, combination play, Mandapat, cross court, di maabutan ni Denden.
Eh, yung si Mandapat, she's like the new Mina Aganon. Yung
Oo nga,
quiet
no?
lang,
Oo
pero
nga,
will
no?
just do her job, yung day in, day out. Makukuha na mo ng puntos eh, na steady. Diba?
Pero,
It may not be, minsan great talaga,
Right,
no?
right.
Mataas na mataas, but yung steadiness nandun eh.
parang ganun si Eliza, kaya lang mintis. Eliza
Oh, look
naghanap
at-
ng check ball.
Naku, ang ganda ng view natin doon. Yun yung mga fans po ni Eliza Valdez na pare-pareho ng t-shirt.
Sa panahon tag-ulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin proudly Philippine made. 1 point lead for NU.
Diba? Ang ganda-ganda tignan. Para silang yung school cheering squad. First ball. They were just trying to save it.
So si Mandapat, kanina pa maganda ang serve na pinapakita rito. Icasas the official ball of the Shakey's P-League. 2 point lead for NU. Lazaro, better reception. Morado, angat para kay Morente.
Combination play. Works well for Ateneo. It was because Danang was a little bit further away from the net than the other. Itong si Myla Pablo. Look, may space doon kay Danang kaya doon pumasok yung bola.
Turo ulit sa langit. Si Mitch Morente.
Lord!
Parating ganun eh, no? Alam mo na, kahit hindi siya nakapoint eh, tas turo sa langit ka agad. De Leon.
A little bit low. Nung binato pa lang niya yung bola, alam niya na hinabol niya eh. But it was really low for Bea.
Dalawa po ang kalaga.
Coach Dong told the Lady Bulldogs to forget about the loss in the second set and to focus here on the third set. He said kailangan pagpasok sa loob, naging masaya sila habang naglalaro but still not lose the focus in the game. And they need to have good reception as well para mas maka-opensa sila ng maayos. Coach Dong also emphasized that kailangan maging masipag sila sa paghahabol ng bola. For the Lady Eagles, a very aggressive team or squad was seen in the second set, and this is the same aggressiveness that Coach Tai is looking for coming into the third set. NU is not being very consistent with their service reception, so this is one of the things that the Lady Eagles should capitalize on. Noel and Mozi.
Well, Lady Eagles have to capitalize on everything right now kasi they're down by 3. Make that still 3. Nice dig there from Eliza Valdez. Morente will miss, however, they are now down by 4.
Morente going cross-court but too much power on that hit.
Nagalitan ni Eliza. Pero magalit, they're having fun, which is a good thing para sa Ateneo.
Right, pero ang Ateneo, ito ang hindi fun. 1 attack point pa lang so far and
Yan.
you're having 3.
Galing sa likod, Eliza, tinulak! Wow! Tulak na lang ang ginawa ito ni Eliza.
And so far, Lazaro with 3 big points. Itong si General with 7. Lazaro with 1 reception. General with 8.
Saan mo naman makikita na may 15 excellence na si Fatima General? Si Denden ilan? 3?
Dalawa. Oh.
Dalawa?
Tamo eh.
Pwede na rin yung Remulla Sisters, pero hindi naman nagkasabayan dito sa Shakey's P-League.
Sa Lasal kaya.
Nagkasabay ba sila? Nagkasabay kayo
Oo,
tuloy na?
no.
Ayun, okay,
Oo,
okay.
sa Lasal.
Thank you for refreshing my memory. Kasi si Ivy, napapanood ko na lang yan nung
Oh.
later years na. Si Ann,
Napanood
napanood
pa
ko
yung
yan
dalawang
sa television ba? There's Ivy Perez. Carolino Sisters din. Valdez. Uy!
Oh, Valdez! I thought it was going
Tanghina.
to be long. And si Coach Dong, sinisipat-sipat yung
Tanghina.
hindi niya eh.
Hindi, but that looked very, very in. Although yung trajectory ng bola mukhang malakas.
Oo,
Bigla-
mukhang malakas.
Lumik
Pero
bigla,
ayun,
pasok na pasok. Reaction ni Myla Pablo. Priceless.
Pa-cover ng mukha si Myla. Kasi mukha naman talagang mahaba.
Right. Santiago, Mandapat. Ahumiro, De Leon, inangat. Valdez, tinawid.
Free ball.
Combination play, Mandapat. Nandun naman si Morado. Set up, free ball. Combination na naman, Mandapat!
Oh, and Mandapat! What a hit! Ang
Inspired.
ganda. That's a kill for Mandapat.
Inspired game from Riza Mandapat today.
Ang hirap ng kombinasyon na ginawa nila. Si Jaja ang nauna. Siya hindi ko. Hindi naman kung kano kataas yung talo niya. Tsaka yung kumbaga height niya.
Na-adjust naman natin yun.
Para magkaroon, tapos differential yung ibibigay kay Mandapat. So medyo mahirap talaga yung una nila pinuntang play.
Valdez will miss. Into the net. Doon nga sa uling palo ni Mandapat, kung nakita mo lang na sa slow-mo, akala mo si Mina Aganon yung tumira eh.
Diba?
Oo.
It's like your, Shane Yu na Mina Aganon.
Magkikita rin sila very soon. Mina Aganon, din Santiago will play.
Oh!
And there's a service ace from Jaja.
That's nice. And
16-9. Lamang po NU ng 7. We'll be right back. Masasaksihan or makukuha ang mga huling balita dito po sa Shakey's V-League. Sa ngayon po, tignan natin ulit yung service ace nitong si Jaja Santiago kanina.
Inulit? Pero nandun ang si Dende. Nakita mo nakabang na si Dende. Well, that really works well for Ateneo. Ang bilis kasi nila mag-adjust.
Coach Tai is here. Tandaan natin, there were a couple of games na wala si Coach Tai dito sa Ateneo. Now he's back. Hintay pa rin natin tumakbo siya pa atras. Hindi pa nangyayari. 16-10. Gia Morado. General. Perez. Combination. Mandapat. Block there by Morente.
It's too close to the net.
Ay, si Perez. Sinulog.
Perez. Good timing there. Giving that dump ball.
Si Ivy Perez again. She's what? 5'9". So, pag ginawa niya yan, hindi mo akalain eh.
Hindi, tsaka, this is the first time na naghulog siya. So, naghulat yung Ateneo kasi, kumbaga, wala pang tendency ito. So, ito na naman ang Ateneo, mag-a-adjust na sila dyan.
Right. Good serve there coming from Singh. Morente!
And it's a check.
Net violation pa kontra sa NU.
Ba?
So, hindi pa pupunta kay Morente yung punto. Sayang. Pero still, Ateneo will serve. Sa panahon na tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Line Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Pablo. Free ball from Perez. Morado now. Sa kabila. Gekiliana again.
And this time challenging Mandapat and Dadang. Ateneo now with 5 attack points. NU with 7. Pero Ateneo 7 errors na partner against the 3 only of Alpha NU.
They had 9 in the second set. Or they had 9 in the first set rather. Here is the setup now for nobody. Ibigay kay Perez, kay Lazaro. Morado, quick set to Bea de Leon.
That's a bonus for Ateneo. Bea de Leon and that connection.
with Coach Tai also. Connection with Coach Tai.
Look at this one. That's a back set for de Leon.
Yan yung mga chaperone ng panganay ko. Nakaka-birthday lang kahapon.
Oh, yun naman. So, happy birthday pala. Happy birthday to your big girl.
Big girl, Sakaya. Turned 14 yesterday. And Eliza Valdez with the service ace. Time out, NU. 3 na lang po ang abante nila.
Dalawang first shot na second shot na outside. Dito natin kinuha. Maka! Pagkain nyo kasi ang service naman niya para tusok ka nun. Dito pa natin. Okay, kalimutan na natin yan ha. 17.
Tara.
Pag-reset na. Kaya natin magkaiba.
Wanna get a shot of the crowd here? Nakikita natin na they are everywhere. Yan. Ito yung mga, ano to? Birthday ba ito? Christy Gutierrez of Trinity University of Asia, July 24. At nais ko rin batiin ang ating partner sa hanap buhay. Boom Gonzales. Happy birthday, July 27. Happy birthday, one of the best sportscasters in the country. Boom Gonzales. 18-14. Morado, one-hand set. Papunta kay Bea de Leon again.
Once again, Bea de Leon. This time on a drop ball. Scores one again for Ateneo.
Coach Tai, naglululutdag na. That lead is down to 3. Ateneo on the rally path. Bea de Leon.
Baka malapit na yung moonwalk na gusto mo.
Tignan natin. Oy! Yun lang.
Service error though coming from Bea de Leon.
So 19-15. Desiree Dadang to serve. Big shoes to fill talaga ito si Dadang. Din Santiago yung papalitan mo sa lineup.
Ano yun, syempre, iba naman siguro yung style na dadalhin with Desiree Dadang.
Kaya ang problema pag ikaw si Jaja Santiago. Sa malayo gusto mo blankahin. Malayo gusto mo blankahin itong si Eliza Valdez. So wag kayo tumawa. Barry and Bossy, stop it.
Oh,
Tawa kayo ng tawa dyan.
gusto. Okay.
19-16. Back set. Pablo!
Oh, and cross-court hit.
20-16. Ayaw na ng Eddie magpahabol dito.
Oh, happy birthday din, Chino Trinidad.
Yan.
Happy birthday to you.
Galing kay Barry Pasco yun.
Oo, sa aming lahat.
20-16. Ano ba? Ayan. Here is Morado.
Oh, combination play. Oh, but
Jaja
turn back.
talaga. Jaja is just too tall. Timeout Ateneo. Kailangan nila talaga makabuelo ngayon.
Hey! Yeah. One, big. Back row. If they back, come here. And the go come here. So with it. Shoulder strong. I'm not here.
Anong nirereklamo ni Coach Tai? Tignan natin ulit dito. Something about sa reception
Oh, yun din, yung stance sa reception kung paano daw yung kamay. Kasi pag yung kamay mo, yung shoulders mo nakataas na, paano mo pa i-receive yung bola? Wala nang pataas
Right.
Diba? Wala nang motion.
Valdez, dug up there by Myla Pablo. Ivy, hulog nandun na si Denden. Morado, sending it to Gekiliana again!
Gekiliana this time going down the line.
Kim Gekiliana playing one of her best games of the season. And now she's going back to serve. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gekiliana, down 4. What a serve!
Nice sharp serve.
Di na rin makapunta ni Mandapa, so that will be another ace for Gekiliana.
Singh was just trying to save that ball off that not so good first ball.
Talim ng
good
serve
yung reception. Kasi ang ganda ng serve ni Gekiliana.
One more time around for Kim.
Sa kabila naman.
Una. Jaja. Morado. Valdez. Yes!
And Valdez.
Dalawa na lang yan.
Killing it. In spite of Jaja Santiago in front of her, look at Valdez go.
Wala sa pwesto si Jaja eh.
Humabol lang
Oh.
Late na. Humabol for the block.
Gekiliana once again.
Oh!
Another service ace for Kim Gekiliana.
Yan ang nakikita natin ngayon sa atin. Mukhang pati sa servisyo may offense kagad.
Ayan na. Isa na lang po ang abante rito ng MU. And Coach Dom de la Cruz will use his last timeout.
Taas natin sa gitna ang bola.
Kahit anong nangyari?
Set mo lang. Kung hindi ka sigurado, pwede ka mag-bola. Sino ang nasa harap natin?
Kung maganda daw tayo. Ayun? Kung maganda. Ayun?
Maganda daw, play.
Jaja na tumawag sa sarili niyang play. Right. That's your 18-year-old leader, though.
Well, wala sa age siya. Ako,
Wala nga.
naniniwala ako, yung leadership, minsan, it's either a gift or you acquire it, diba? Through yung maturity.
Pagdali mo sa laki
sinasabi
ng
mo.
mata, katulad ng ginawa ni Jaja.
Sa laki mo! Diba?
Laki na nga,
Sa
nalalaki
tangkad.
pa mata.
Sa
Oh.
tangkad.
Pag maganda, double tayo. Eh, hindi maganda. Sing. Morado. Valdez. Hulog. Nandun naman si Myla Pablo. Santiago. Sing. Yakiliana. Morado. Ahomiro block there by Santiago. Denden sends it across. Perez. Jaja. Denden again. Morado. Alaysa. Na-block ni Jaja. One more time around. Alaysa. Oh! That looked like it was...
Si Alaysa magre-reklamo sana, pero
Kasi
yung point is given to them.
Unang senyas sa linesman ay outside.
Hindi, pero kaya nila nakuha yung puntos kasi net violation sa NU.
It was a net violation, but that also looked in, though. Net violation against Jaja. 21 all. So tumaas ang presyon ni Jaja for nothing. Pinagtatawanan nila si Jaja ngayon.
Relax, atin na puntos. Relax lang, relax.
Tumaas alta presyon ni Jaja at ni Alaysa sa wala. Good serve once again from Yakiliana. Morado.
Again, well by Neral.
Morente. Lahat na ng kalbot. Ginawa ni Jaja. Ito pa rin. Crossing violation, Jorel Singh. Ateneo has reclaimed the lead. Sabi ni Coach Tai, relax, girls.
What a game, partner.
Third set pa lang to. Tied at one set apiece. Kanina pa nagsaserve si Yakiliana. That looked like it was gonna go in. Good play there by Mandapan. Oh, Jaja!
Jaja Santiago getting that point, stopping the bleeding. Yan naman yan yung kailangan ni matutunan ni Ivy tsaka ni Jaja. Meron dapat silang play na pang-stop lang ng run ng kalaban.
That was a 6-0 run though by Ateneo.
Correct. Meron dapat sila yung parang nakakadalawa, tatlo na yung kalaban. You just go to that play right away.
Bad reception, bad position by Yakiliana. Service ace for Perez. Laman na naman ang NU.
Palitan lang ng kalabangan.
Tapos, eto na, Gail Valdez. Kanina ko pa hinahanap at di pinapasok pa si Gail Valdez
Lalo
dito.
na pag sa depensa, madalas natin nakikita itong ginagawa ni Coach Long. So, dalawa yung dumidepensa ngayon sa likod. Because you want a good first ball. Diba? So, kung maiwan yung dalawa sa likod, para kang may dalawang libero.
That's true. And Gail Valdez should be actually their libero in training just in case. Matalim din ang serve. Valdez over everybody. Mandapat, sending it to Santiago. Net violation. That will go against Alaysa.
Net violation.
On Alaysa, and timeout will be called here by Ateneo. 2 set points for NU.
Table po na. Table po na. Allah oleh dia.
May mga ibang fans na hindi pa rin alam kung ano nangyari kay Aiko Ordas. Nagtatanong pa rin.
Okay.
So, sabihin na lang din natin, Aiko Ordas will be out for at least 9 months because of an ACL tear. So,
pero sana naman shorter than that.
Pero
Makapatayan,
mga
mabilis
shorter.
makarecover.
Pero si Ana Cupico, up to now, hindi pa natin nakikita eh.
Kaya yan, pang atin yung mga 9 months to 1 year, to 2 years. Tayo yan.
Valdez saves one! So, Alaysa saves 1 set point.
Yeah, Valdez has been going to that angle. Kanina pa. Yan yung, ito yung sinasabi natin na meron kang pinupuntahan. Diba? Na para lang pumuntos. Right? Impact point.
Amy Ahomiro needs to be perfect on this serve. Good serve. Jaja. Mandapat. Morente. Morado. Valdez. Off the block. 24 all.
And Alaysa Valdez. This time off the block. Hindi pumunta dun sa dating angulo. Challenge yung blockers.
Ang saya ng national team natin nakikinig ako na. Tayo pa ang host, ha? Tayo pa ang host. Yun ang maganda sa under 23. Amy Ahomiro cannot play for the Philippines because she's from New Zealand. Perez. Jaja turned back by De Leon. Perez. Tira si Singh. Morado. Kabila. Valdez. Blocked by Jaja.
And what a time for that block. That's a solid block from NU. They regain the lead.
And NU with another set point.
Ito yung hinahanap mo si Coach Tong yung pabalik-balik. Hinahanap mo kay Coach
Si
Tay.
Coach Tay,
Ang layo
bago
pa
sa
ng tingin
takbo.
mo dito lang. Makikita mo na yan eh.
Good serve from Jaja. Habol si Denden. Free ball from Valdez. Sky ball. Set up now. Jorel Singh. Check ball.
Oh,
And
and
set
it's a
goes to
check.
NU. Third set will go to NU. 26-24. The freshman delivers for the Lady Bulldogs. Nakikita natin sa ating shake and play. Ang ganda sana ng habol ng Ateneo. But in the end, the freshman gets the last point on the check ball against Gia Morado for NU.
He's a very young na si Singh.
Yun na nga eh.
Diba? Binigay niya na, alam niya crucial yon, very crucial point, and yet, pinagkatiwala niya kay Singh yung bola.
Well, Kiwi scores the first point of the fourth set para naman dito sa kupunan ng Ateneo. So, Ahumiro now back to serve, 1-0 for the Lady Eagles. Once again, Noel Zarate kasama si Mosi Rovena at saka si Ivy Remulla. Go ahead.
Alam mo, partner, dun sa third set na yun, Alyssa Valdez was able to score 9 points only in the third
Wala
set.
yan.
Kay Keliana and Santiago with 5 points each, si Pandapat with 4.
Wala yan. Alyssa Valdez against UP. 9 kamo against NU. Against UP, Alyssa Valdez third set, 19.
Grabe lang.
Sitting ba naman yun?
But so far, Morado with 23 excellent sets, pero partner Ivy with already 25.
Wow.
Perez.
I almost nagka-cancel out noon. Then keeping that one. Dadang! Smartly done.
Going for a swipe where nobody was home.
Again, big shoes to fill para kay Desiree Dadang. Pinalitan niya sa lineup si Dindin Santiago. Pero so far, so good. Ito yung batang kapatid ni Dindin, si serve, si Jaja Santiago. 6'6".
Oh, sharp serve.
Alyssa puts it up. Pero free ball from Morente. Perez, kabila. Jorel Singh na naman.
Oh, yun na naman. Check ball uli ang ginagawa ni Jorel Singh. So, mukhang yun yung game plan. Inabangan na lang niya yung mga kamay ng Atenista.
Eh, hindi naman katangkaran kasi ito si Jorel Singh. So, whatever will work for her. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. 3-1 NU. Lazaro. Morado for Valdez. Changing direction. Santos si Myla Pablo. Pandapat now. Nice block by Bea De Leon.
Bea De Leon getting that block point.
At nasaktan niya si Bea De Leon. Hindi ko lang sa siya nasaktan, sa block or sa celebration after.
Pero you can see na heavily taped yung kanyang left hand.
Yep. 3-2. Back to serve now, Gia Morado.
Nice sharp serve from Morado.
And a block that will go out from De Leon. De Leon wants everything ngayon.
Kasi nahihinayang siya dahil lumabas yung palo.
Siya na nagsisenyas, pahingin quick. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made.
Humihingi ng B-quick si Bea.
Depende sa reception. Hindi niya makukuha ngayon. Corrente, off the net. Dug up there by General. There's Myla Pablo, malakas.
Sayang yung mga palo na nagagaling kay Myla Pablo. Kasi ang daming errors yung labas, yung mishit, yung mga ganyan. So, yung porsyento, sayang na sayang.
Naka-quiet pa si Myla Pablo today. Yung first set, maganda pinakita rin niya. Oh, wow. Alyssa Valdez. Mesmerizing Jorel Singh with her serve. Si Jorel Singh, kailangan short memory ka dyan.
Yup.
4-all. Mandapat, Gomez back na. Myla Pablo, pasandal na tira. That's gonna go out.
There you go, Myla Pablo. Malakas kasi yung palo ni Myla pagka solid hit. Kaya nangihinayang ako. Katulad noon, that was off the block. And yung off the block, ang layo ng talsik ng bola because of the power.
Dapat now on the serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Philly. Kim Gatchaliana. Off the block. Check ball.
Right, check ball.
5-all. Ito na naman. Parang third set na naman ito nangyayari sa atin, ha? Palitan muna. Actually, the only lopsided set was really the second set. Na nakuha ng
Pero
Ateneo.
lahat full of action.
Oo.
Tayo nanonood ng bakbakan.
Right. Bea De Leon. Angled serve. Perez.
Oh!
Jaja!
What a dig from Eliza.
Gatchaliana adjusting, pero yung net hindi nag-adjust.
Oh, she was trying to adjust her place. Pero siguro, kapos na yung kalkulasyon niya eh. Unasa na siya sa court.
6-5 NU. Desiree Dadang with already a couple of service aces today. Susubok ulit na isa pa. Ganda naman kasi ng serve niya eh. Galing likod, Eliza. Lakas.
Coach
Paano
Si Coach Tai asking for a check.
Layo ng pinanggalingan ni Eliza.
Kumakalisod lang.
Ano pala sa Thailand?
Pwede lang naman.
7-5 NU. Dadang into the net.
Sayang, into the net.
7-6 NU up by 1. Picasas the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Mitch Morente. Incoming second year. Sipin mo naman. Diba? Back set ngayon. Ayla Pablo. Nagpasabog na sa harapan ni Eliza Valdez. And a 2-point lead for the Lady Bulldogs sa ating first technical.
Third set because hindi nila na-correct yung kanilang mga service reception errors. Coach Dong also reminded them on how important blocking is for the Lady Bulldogs. Dapat huwag silang bibitaw, especially if Valdez is up front. Back to you, Noel and Mozzie.
Blocking Eliza Valdez is an art form.
Oh, pero hindi rin kasi pwede hindi. Kundi, diba? Parang practice lang yan.
Right.
So, kailangan committed all the time, especially nga kung kay Eliza.
Well, wala na commit kay Eliza that time and she will get the point. Coach Dong did not like the floor spacing that time.
Eliza Valdez, yun ay galing sa kabilang cross-court.
Yep. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made.
May haba ng pinagdaanan ng palo ni Eliza.
Right. Perez. Jaja. Oh, yan na. Yan ang inaabangan nilang lahat. Single block by Eliza Valdez on Jaja Santiago.
Napahawak si Eliza dun sa kanyang shoulder and look at this one. This is what you don't want to give si Jaja, a low set. Because yan ang pwedeng mangyari. And samantalang if you give her a really high set, kaya niyang abutin.
That serve, however, will go out from Gatchaliana. So, dalawa na naman ang abante rito ng NU. Coach Tai parehatingin sa scoreboard.
So far, it's Valdez with 20 points. Gatchaliana running second with 13. Santiago with 14. Dapat with 11.
14 pa lang. Jaja. Tignan natin kung mararamihan pa niya yan. Good serve by Perez. Morado, hang time, Ahumiro. Perez on the back set. Mandapat off the hands of Eliza. Kept alive. Lazaro. Perez sa kabila. Jorel Singh. And there will be a violation against Amy na naman. That violation, it appears. May warning na ibibigay rin sa NU. For complaining, sino ba yung captain?
Yung captain, tinatawag yung kapitan.
Captain on the floor now is Ivy Perez. Referee Efren Ga, may konting paalala para hindi mabunutan ng dilaw. Bubunot na ng dilaw to, yun na. And I think this is as Manny Madayag will check in. Bench decorum. The bench decorum warning. Manny Madayag, freshman out of Davao, will see her first action para sa Ateneo. At sabi ni Efren Ga, teka, nagbibigay yung yellow card, di ko nakita yung sabulitin nyo. Ayan. Ahumiro out, Madayag in.
It's Ateneo with 2 attack points and you having 5.
3-point lead for the Lady Bulldogs. Ivy Perez serving again. Magdi-delay warning din sa NU. may delay warning din ng NU. The first one was for bench decorum. Ay, verbal warning pa lang yun. Good serve there coming from Perez. Morado. Valdez.
Oh, Valdez!
Ay, hindi na masasakit yun.
Way up in the air for that hit.
Credit, Myla Pablo.
Yes.
For trying to keep it alive as well. Pero talagang detonation ang ginawa rito ni Eliza. Oh. Si Myla, sabi, kakampi na nga tayo sa national team dati. Hindi ko pa inaral yung ganyan mo. Madayag on the serve. That falls very low. And personally apologizes to Coach Tai.
Sabi niya, isa lang yun. Last.
Sabi niya in Labawenyo in English.
Kahit na, alam mo na si Coach Tai, body language lang eh. Alam mo na tingin na naiintindihan na ni Coach Tai.
12-9, and you still up by 3. Judge Santiago, out.
Oh, another long one. Masyado nang madami rin ang...
For Judge, today, ang characteristic
today,
yan.
Correct. Yung kanyang...
Sumbong na naman kay Jet.
Ang laki kasi niyang kamay na yan. Bawasan na rin ang konti.
Paano po gagawin? Para si Janine Marciano na lumilipad na lang bigla. Pero buo pa rin katawan.
May sabi ko niya. Babalik ka naman sa kawawang bata naman nun.
Taas lumundag eh.
Yun na nga sabi ko.
Sing!
Yun nga sabi ko yung Coach Ness kanina. Coach Ness sabi ko, taas lumundag itong bata.
Sing was able to get it off the check ball. 3-point lead for NU. Ngayon, Ateneo, medyo quiet murmur na rin natin dito sa Pro Ateneo fans.
Well, NU up by 3. We're approaching the middle portion of this fourth set.
Eliza turned back by Dadang. Morente going out. No check ball.
No check. Ateneo asking for a check. And ito yung mga kailangan na tulungan si Eliza. People like Mitch Morente.
Morente's been quiet today, actually. Mas si Gekiliana pa yung nag-step up eh. And Bea De Leon. Yeah. Sing once again. Morente. Lazaro. Eliza tried to do something with it.
Yes, that was a very difficult shot. Very difficult hit for Eliza Valdez.
Biggest lead now in this set for NU. 5 points. Jarrell Singh, the freshman. Sharp serve. Nagulat si Lazaro. Morente galing sa likod. Singh. Perez. Back set. Mandapat. Single block lamang. Hindi umubra.
And Mandapat going down the line.
And Mandapat now makes it a 6-point lead for NU. So ngayon, nakikita naman natin ang huling play.
The down the line hit
Oh, yan talaga
by
pasok na
Mandapat. At ang Ateneo rin naman, isang blocker lang ang binigay kay Mandapat. Not enough for that down the line hit.
Jarrell Singh, the hero of the third set para sa NU. Bea De Leon, single block from Dadang, nanginitian lang siya. Morente, off the hands of Mandapat, kept alive by Singh.
Still playable.
Other side, Eliza, ginamit na yung kamay ni Myla Pablo.
Eliza Valdez getting that point.
16-11. NU, 5 puntos sa Kalamangan sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Ivy Perez, hindi angat. General gives it up. De Leon. Yes!
And Bea De Leon, ito yung mga extra na puntos na kailangan ngayon ng Ateneo, especially that Eliza Valdez is at the back.
Well, ito na, rally na ginagawa rito ng Ateneo.
Right, and you have a full front line actually for Ateneo. You have Gekiliana, you have Morente, and De Leon.
And Eliza Valdez serving, which is like having another spiker in the back.
Eliza Valdez getting an ace.
So parang full front line plus full back line. One more. Eliza Valdez, they're down by 3.
But 3 straight points coming from Ateneo already. And
Ayan na
Singh
naman.
is really targeting Singh.
Ay. No third ball coming. 4 in a row for Ateneo.
It has been Singh yung target ng affection nitong si Eliza Valdez. Sa kanya talaga yung...
Subukan yung freshman talaga. Bakit? Yung freshman si Eliza, sinubukan din siya ng lahat eh.
That's right.
Mandapat rescue Singh this time. Pablo, off speed. Eliza diving. Back set, Morente. And the block is in. Para dito kay Myla Pablo.
Pablo pushing it where nobody was there kasi nagkagulo pa sila dun sa previous play.
Tama. And now serving, Lisa Mandapat. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Wanna serve again. Too near. Dadang!
And Dadang just taking care of that ball.
Enjoy si Dadang sa
Si
ginagawa niya
Dadang
ngayon.
na nagbibigyan ng maraming regalo in this game.
Yeah.
Nakailang regalo na si Dadang.
Iniisip pa ni Jaja, sana ako na lang yun nandun. Baon talaga yun. The reception now for Ateneo. De Leon. Santiago. Perez. Pablo. Valdez. Morado. Gequiliana. Blocked there by Dadang. One more time around for Kim. Blocked by Perez. One more time around for Kim. Lusot. Pero inangat naman ni Mandapat. Myla Pablo. Eliza Valdez. Gia Morado. Kim Gequiliana. Blocked again by Dadang.
And the blocking of NU was really steady on that last play hanggang di nila nakuha yung puntos. Yung commitment was there. As you can see here, finally, yung patience paid off. Ateneo 4 attack points ng NU doble with 8 attack points. And Ateneo having a lot of errors, 8 and only 4 for NU.
Sabi siguro ni Phil Kainglet, sana ako na lang pinasok. Up. That is a crossing violation from Dadang.
2 yung run ng NU. So far, De Leon with 4 attack points, Gequiliana with 9, Singh with 5, Pablo with 7.
And now to serve, ito si Bea De Leon. Magaganda aces na kanina. Can she add another one? Not this time. Perez.
Oh.
Looking for a double, and Efren Gazes play on. Madayag, no, this one is going to Morente, who is turned back by Dadang again.
That was solid block. Solid block coming from NU.
And yan si Phil Kainglet, nakikita natin. Kasama ang kanyang mister na si Congressman Lino Cayetano.
Beautiful pair.
Yeah, exactly. Here's Morado now going to Manny Madayag, and Madayag scored. 2016. NU is nearer to the finish line than Ateneo. Mitch Morente, quiet performance so far today. Perez, back set, Pablo, yes!
Oh, and Pablo once again getting that point. Hindi sabay yung blockers ng Ateneo on that last play.
Valdez, this is Gail Valdez coming in to replace Myla Pablo, and I'm wondering why Amy Ahumiro is still on the bench para sa Ateneo.
Well, so far, si Valdez with 25 points na, partner. Gequiliana with 13. De Leon, binunot lang after that incident with yung injury ni Ariel Patongon. 8 points na, partner.
Perez drops it. Lazaro is there. Morado. Valdez from the back. Gail Valdez puts it up. Singh, tinawid. Morente. Morado going to Gequiliana. Cross court is missed.
Oh, and that goes wide for Gequiliana.
Sabi ni Coach Ty down the line. 22-16. 3 puntos na lang kailangan ng NU. Gail Valdez, who has a very sharp serve. Now for NU. Nag-sure serve muna rito. Lazaro. Valdez from the back. Gail Valdez is there again. Singh is
Oh, that
helpless.
was really close to the net.
Helpless si Joel that time.
Masyado namang mahirap para sa kanya, especially to the blockers of Ateneo. We're already there. But credit, a good play coming from Valdez. Ang ganda ng timing ng pagkabunot sa kanya ni Coach Long.
That's Gail Valdez, of course. And this is Kinga Quiliana, who has stepped up today for Ateneo, especially from the service line. General, Perez, Singh. Here's Morado now going to Eliza Valdez, and Eliza will miss.
Eliza with a wide hit.
23-17 NU.
George tayo natawa lang eh. You can see Eliza really went all out for
Right.
that hit.
Perez now serving, 2 points away from the match ang NU. Here's a combination for Eliza Valdez, and that's a check ball. Yes, it is, it is.
It's a check ball. Magagalit
Check ball.
sana si Coach Tay. And check ball.
It was a check ball. Walang sumenya sa linesman,
That's
no?
umamin si Ivy. Sabi niya na check niya.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
there
here
you
is
go.
Ahumiro, yep. Waiting for Ahumiro, but she will be in the back line for this one. Adi Madayag will be lifted. So Amy Ahumiro will be serving to keep Ateneo in the match.
Natawa si Coach Tay. Parang nito kasi si
Madayag.
Madayag.
Kanina pa eh. Kanina pa parang tuliro si Madayag eh.
First year ka. Siyempre. Lang.
Oh!
Third down, but Mandapan. That was a kill.
Mandapan.
That was an emphatic kill from
Yun.
Mandapan.
Tusok na tusok.
Kung pwedeng 2 points, pag 2 points.
At sabi nga Lamina, who? Lisa Mandapat is in town. 6 match points for NU. And that one goes back to NU. Perez, Mandapat. Blocked there by De Leon. Free ball. Combination play. Eliza Valdez will miss.
That's why. Then you get this one.
25-18. 3 sets to 1 nakuha ng NU. So NU will now tie the Philippine Air Force in the team standings with 3 wins and 3 losses. And Ateneo will now drop to 2 wins and 3 losses. Ateneo still has 2 more games left in its elimination round. As we take a look at the shaky play, Risa Jane Mandapat. We will be hearing from her for sure in just a bit.
Noel.
I want that bag mo, si Ravena.
Naiyak ka na naman, pero kailangan deserving si Mandapat.
Well, very deserving. Risa Mandapat
para sa bag.
Getting the win para dito sa kupunan ng NU. That will do it for us on behalf of Ivy Remulla and my partner Tita Mosi Ravena. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.